YouTube, back again with another video. This time this week we have, for the two new tools this week, we had a Cornwell Tool haul. These sockets were at a good deal. So I got some angle strippers, part number 5950A by OTC. Find these on Amazon. We got some swivel 3/8 metric impact sockets. Part number's right there. From 8, and they are CRMO. So that's pretty good metal. 8 to 24. So this is this new tool for this week. And then I got I upgraded from the old Castleman impact sockets to Cornwell's Blue Power impact sockets. Our number's right there. From 7 to 19. Did use the 8 already. For comparison, this is the 8. That's my old Castleman impacts. These are Cornwell Blue Powered impacts. Here's a 9. Wait, no, it's a 10. The one that everyone loses.
What you talking about, Willis?
And the 19. I believe this steel is CRMO. This is chrome vanadium. You see right there. So this is a better steel. Plus it's easier to warranty. So for these I got some, I think $45 for these. And then these are gone for $145. The original price was like $300. And then I got some 3/8 deeps as well, from 7 to 19. Our number right there, CBBI2LN. Did use the 8 already, but use a comparison. The Castleman 8 and the Cornwell 8. Here's a 10. The one that mysteriously leaves all the time.
You serious?
And the 19. Still have to do a 1-year update review on the Castleman sockets, just to let you know my thoughts on these. But I am later on gonna switch to these as my everyday use and use these for side work as well. let me open these up for you guys. Basically just like regular wire crimpers, but in an angle. You strip right here and you crimp right there. Let me know if you want a full review on these crimpers or an updated review on the sockets. I will eventually make a comparison, maybe on these swivels sockets to the Harbor Freight versions. I'll probably get the SAE ones, but that'll be the good comparison. Now these are not pinless. They do have a pin there, so to me it doesn't matter as long as it works. That's my tool haul. Also might do more comparison from the Castleman to these Cornwell. As well with the Harbor Freight sockets, I'll get a SAE set. We'll do all comparison. So if you want have any other ideas, let me know in the comments below. See you guys, and see you guys later.